Devotees celebrate Devi Navratri, also known as Shakti Navratri, as a time to awaken the divine feminine energy within themselves. This auspicious period occurs over 9 nights and 10 days, typically in the months of March, April, and September or October each year. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maa Divine, where we speak about spirituality, motivation, self-growth rituals, switch words, and many more. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you are interested in any of these, which means a lot for us. Do not forget to subscribe and comment at the end of the video. To awaken the Shakti within ourselves during this time, spiritual practitioners can engage in various practices and rituals that are purely dedicated to the goddesses. In this video, I will be giving you some key components of Devi Navratri Sadhana. You don't believe? The perfect practicing of Devi Navratri Sadhana will help you in many physical health benefits. Devi Navratri Sadhana practices can deepen one's connection with the divine and help in spiritual growth and self-realization. Overall, Navratri Sadhana practices offers an holistic approach to the well-being encompassing physical, mental, emotional and spiritual benefits of the devotees. Now let's dive into the different sadhanas that you can practice during this Navaratri for holistic approach. The first one is daily Devi Puja. Offer daily rituals and prayers to the goddesses, and this includes lighting a lamp, offering flowers, incense and sweets, and reciting special mantra dedicated to the Devi. Second, observing fasting. Many devotees choose to fast during the 9 days of Navaratri, abstaining from certain foods and practices, a means of purifying the body and mind. Third, chanting mantras. Recite powerful mantras such as Durga Chalisa, Lalita Sahasranama and many sacred texts dedicated to the goddesses, and you can find many such sacred chants in one of my playlists provided, and I will be providing the link in the description box. Please do check it. These mantras help to invoke the divine presence of the goddesses and awaken the Shakti within. Fourth, meditation and japa. Spend time in meditation focusing on the form of goddesses and meditating her qualities. Also engage in repetition of specific mantras to deepen your connection within the divine energy. Fifth, participating in kirtan and bhajans. Singing devotional songs and bhajans in praise of goddesses can help elevate your subconscious and connect with the divine energy present during Navaratri. 6. Seva or service. Engage in the acts of service and charity during Navaratri as a way to express devotion to the goddesses and serve others in the need. And the last one, that is 7th one, attending Navaratri pujas and celebrations. Participate in any community events, pujas and celebrations dedicated to the goddess, where you can immerse yourself in the divine energy and connect with the other devotees as well. By following these practices and immersing yourself in the divine energy of the Devi Navratri, you can awaken the Shakti within yourself and experience the transformative power of the goddesses. May this sacred period brings blessings, purification and spiritual awakening to all who participate in the sadhanas. Jai Mata Di. Please do not forget to subscribe and give your precious comments in the comment section on your sadhana that you are following for this Navaratri. Happy manifestation.